On the 8th of November 2013, Typhoon Haiyan hit the Philippines. It flattened homes, wiped out families, and destroyed entire communities. Nothing was left unscathed. But what if we could change this? What if we could help to rebuild what Typhoon Haiyan destroyed? What if we could provide water, food, and shelter, one pixel at a time? Every time a pound is donated, a pixel in this image will change. And pound by pound, pixel by pixel, a new image will begin to emerge from the devastation. An image of hope in a place where all hope was lost.
It all comes and goes, all these words.